Jiko,
Why not coming out?
what is this, Jiko?
Noodles.
Noodles. And what is there in the noodles?
Mushroom.
Yay! Like mushroom? You like mushroom? I'm talking. Take. Let's taste how it is. Taste and tell me how it is. Okay, come near. How is it? How is it, Jiko? Still eating? Look at Mama. Tell me how it is. Good. Little good or very good?
Very good.
Oh, okay. Then why are you not smiling? Okay. So today we are making Satvik noodles, which means there will be no onion garlic, and also I'm using quinoa noodles for you so that it will be healthy. I do not use normal noodles. See, this is quinoa millet noodles, and there is no maida in it, and it belongs to one organic company. It's a very good one. I actually found it in a supermarket and I loved it. So I'm just boiling the noodles with some veggies, carrots and beans to be precise. So for some time we cook it, and then when it is all done, it's like al dente, and I'm just going to strain it. After straining, I'm going to add just a drop of oil and mix it so that they don't stick to each other. And then we will start making the saute. So you were actually with me when I'm making this one, and it was so much fun. You actually had 2 strands of noodles while cooking, and just like that. Okay, so here I'm adding some rice bran oil, and about 1 tablespoon, and some shredded cabbage. Then we fry it for a while until the color changes a little, and then I had some mushroom and capsicum. So I'm making mushroom noodles, mushroom Satvik quinoa millet noodles, I say, suppose. Okay, so I'm just gonna saute it, and now the color is changing. What we are going to do is adding 1 teaspoon of curry powder and some pepper powder, because I'll not be adding any chili, so just a little bit of pepper powder is enough. And then I'm going to add this no onion garlic tomato sauce, and some chili sauce. Of course there will be no onion garlic in that as well. And finally just a little spoon of soya sauce. Can add a little more soya sauce if required. Later I'm going to add it, but as of now this looks fine to me. So I'm going to mix it well, and then I'm going to pour some more capsicum to it. That I wanted it to be more crunchy, so this I'm adding a little later, and then mix it well, and then finally add the noodles and vegetables, and then there is nothing else to do. Saute and saute and saute. Okay, so mix well. The mixing well on high flame is the secret to a good noodles. And also there is some variation. You could just crush some peanuts and add to it, or just some halved peanuts, or maybe some peanut sauce, peanut butter, anything that would give a nice taste, nice flavor to it, I suppose. I actually thought of adding it, but I forgot at the last moment. So here quinoa millet noodles Satvik no onion garlic is completely ready, and voila, it's yummy, as you have tasted and said to me it's very good. Okay, very good, sounds very good coming from you. Okay, so here are some pics. Look lovely, right? Okay. Bye bye.